we're going to start a measurement unit where we're going to measure the length of a twig. As this starts growing, the leaves start coming out and it starts looking more like that. You have to realize that the growth starts here and it goes out. Okay, so it doesn't go this way, it goes that way. We're going to put a line in here 2 inches from the terminal bud here and see how long this twig gets over time. So I'm picking 2 inches because 2 inches is roughly the same as 5 centimeters. So younger kids can also measure this with centimeter rulers, and other kids can be doing this to the nearest 1/4 inch using inches. So I'm going to put the 2-inch mark, line that up with the end of the bud. I'm going to use a Milwaukee Inksol pen just because this will write on wet things. Pretty cool. So right here I'm going to put a line. Okay, that's not really distinguishable, so what I'll do is I'll get some nail polish, a bright color. I'm using blue today, and I'm going to make it obvious that that's not just a line, but I'm saying don't measure the blue, measure from the point that the blue paint ends. There we go. That will dry with time. Alright, so if you see with this twig, I'm simulating some growth here. It used to be just 2 inches long, and now it's longer. It might be hard for the kid to be able to figure out exactly how long this is, so a neat hack to this is you make sure that the ruler's lined up with the edge of that paint, and then they push down the leaf on the ruler, and they just have to put a post-it at the edge of the leaf so they can figure out where it ends. Now at that point, you can bring this whole unit back into class and you can try to figure out how long this is. This appears to me to be 1, 2, 3, and 1/4 inches long. And then we can chart that and figure out the growth from the previous day. So what I've done here is I've got a tree, I've got some flagging tape to show the branch, and you can see that blue mark that starts 2 inches from the terminal bud. And that's where they're going to put the ruler and start measuring from. Another way to do this is put the flagging tape on, and what I've done is I've whipped a tape measure right to the edge, so you can start seeing this. So it's pretty much starting at 1 inch, and it's going out and you measure there, so you can see how far it grows.